everybody, it's 9:13 and I am here as promised. So today you're gonna, okay, are you guys live? Hi Dreamer Pragati, you had to be the first one, right? So this live is gonna be super duper not planned as such, although you know from my stories how much I've planned for today, and I'm even wearing better clothes nonetheless. So I have showed you all how I sanitize and how I set it up. I gave you a reminder in the morning, so I'm gonna start my makeup now. And the first things first I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sanitize my hands. Now please watch this live carefully in case you're looking for the products, because I don't think I'll have the time to kind of put it in the captions, but please watch it. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna show you all the products as much as I can. So this is the one called Dr. Z's. I might be pronouncing it wrong. It's a hand sanitizing spray. First thing I'm going to do is sanitize my hands. Okay, it's an aerosol spray, so it's very easy for me to use on the sets. Now I have already had a shower, of course, and I've done the CTM, which is cleansing, toning, moisturizing steps at home. But now that I've come all the way here, although I came in my car, it was a closed environment, but still there is some kind of exposure. So I'm gonna, of course, not sanitize my face as such. Now I'm gonna take some water. This I just got from a local beauty store. This is a water spray, and it's filled with pure water, as in from the RO or from the Bisleri bottles. Bisleri is a generic name. I mean mineral water bottles. All right, so I've sprayed it on my face. And I'm gonna, okay, another thing, there might be ADs coming in, there might be hairdressers, so you'll have to just put up with me today because this is not happening from my home. Now I am just going to pat my face. Also I had put vitamin E cream. That one I think I got from Vilva stores. They have the most amazing vitamin E cream. I had it's basically, it comes in a bottle. You also get these green capsules at the medical store, but Vilva is great for organic products, so that's the one I put. So it gives my face that little plumpy moisturizing. After this I'm actually feeling like मेरा कोई exam हो रहा है. Okay, after this I'm gonna spray some rose water. This one is from Oria. This is just to have some element of moisture on my face. And then I'm gonna take a very little bit of this oil, that is in case your face is not oily. It's Srikamya facial beauty oil, very little, okay, like a drop, so that my face doesn't become very, very dry during the entire day, because we will be shooting in the AC and it's going to be 12 hours. It's a 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. shift. Okay, so I've dabbed it. Yes, moisturizing is an extremely important step if you really want your face to not look super cakey. Although the makeup that I do today is going to be slightly cakey, that's because I want it to stay for slightly longer. Okay, then Lakme had sent me this Lakme Absolute, and I actually really like it to have as a moisturizing base. So I'm going to take a little bit of it. Okay. And I'm gonna take a brush. Okay, the brushes that I'm today using are from my friend Ojas's collaboration with London Pride Cosmetics. So they're truly awesome. I've tried them. I won't recommend a product unless I try and test it and unless I like it. Otherwise I return it to the brands. This is another thing you must know about me. So I've just taken a brush and I'm going to put it all over my face. Okay. I'm going live from my page after so long. I can also see that Instagram has changed a little bit of format. Today I had to put in the title first and stuff like you do on YouTube. So I don't know if it gets disconnected by chance, then I will connect again. But I cannot see you guys. पहले जैसे मुझे दिखता था. Now I can. अपने आप को छोटी. I'm gonna take names quickly, okay? Hi Achal, Samad, Mom and Fashion, Rajameet, Surbhi. तेरे सिवा किसको सोचूं मैं. Bad Girl, Arya, Maha, Achal Sharma. Then there is Amit Kumar, Naresh Parekh, Sonu Rana, Ishita Mittal, Sakina Afiza, Who Kritika, Vikram Jangra, Noshin. Okay, that's the only time I have to do now. Thank you everybody for joining me and being so interested in how I do my makeup. So today's makeup is of course about the character that I'm playing, which is Chanda Rathore on Star Plus on the show called Shadi Mubarak. Okay, alright, so that's what I have done now. What all did I do? So first I sprayed water on my face, then I put rose water on my face, then I put the Shree Kama Beauty oil, and then I put moisturizer on my face. Now a little bit of sunscreen, extremely important step, but sometimes I get lazy and I miss the sunscreen step. So I'm using SPF 30 Coola. This is a really nice sunscreen. I've been using it for a few years now. But I'm completely like y'all. I know that most of us really hate this type of sunscreen and find it unnecessary, but yes, the dermats and the doctors and everybody really talks about the importance of sunscreen. It's important. Okay, so that's that. Now this is my palette, okay, in case I want to mix a couple of colors, because what happens is sometimes your face is tanned, sometimes you're well rested and not under the sun, so your face is not. So I'm going to take this. Most of y'all who've seen some of my makeup videos, which I very rarely do, must know that L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear is the liquid foundation I'm using. It's 140 beige, golden beige is the color. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Estee Lauder Double Wear. The shade is 3W1 Tawny. That is because this is a non-transferable makeup, and that's exactly what I want to have, what I want to do today. Not transfer the makeup on my clothes. And see, so here it is. Okay, now I'm going to mix it all up. First I'm going to make a thin layer of this on my face directly. Kitni cheezein main bhool gayi pata hai. I forgot to get the head of the charger, so I'm going to literally start begging for it in some time. Okay, so a little bit, and then I'm going to conceal it towards the end. This is just so that I know that the colors I'm using. And okay, so little bit I'm gonna spread with this. You can also use this brush, buffing brush. It's amazing. This one is from PAC 256, and look at me. My god, I don't think I've ever done a live makeup, right? I did a couple of makeup steps for you all, the natural ones, but those were not. So how are you guys? Oh, I can see there are about 237 people live. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for joining me today. Okay, alright, I am gonna do the neck a little bit. So see, I have a thin layer of makeup now on my face, so this will, as in the liquid foundation or the foundation, so this will help hold the makeup. Okay, I'm gonna clean the brushes and I'm gonna calm down a little bit. ऐसे लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत stressed out हूँ, right? But I'm super excited. Maybe it's not stress, it's excitement. Maybe it's the stress of excitement. Okay, now I'm gonna directly start with my eyeshadow after completing this step. So this is a puff. Most of this makeup is actually used professionally, so you might not want to use it on an everyday level, and this is not what I use on an everyday basis too, but it's like a mix and match. Okay, so I'm going to take a puff. I'm going to take this powder. It's a yellow powder, mostly again used on sets, on TV or movies, mostly on TV. So this is a translucent powder from the brand called Kryolan. Okay, I'm going to take it on this puff and I'm going to put it this way. Why? Because it's also going to bake my makeup a little bit, as well as whatever eyeshadow I do, because it's going to be a dark eyeshadow. That is what my continuity outfit requires. So that's not going to fall on my face and make it black. Let the games begin. Alright. So the main eyeshadow that I'm using is this one. You all know how much I love Naked. This is Naked Urban Decay Smoky. Okay, the brand is Urban Decay and Naked is a series of eyeshadows and makeup that they have, and it's the Smoky palette. So the first main shadow I'm taking is, the main shadow today is Armor. Now let me tell you what all I'm using. Armor, Slanted, Dagger, a little bit of Black Market, and yes, High is what I will use. Yes, I will use so many colors. And from this is also an Urban Decay cosmetic, eyeshadow palette, and Blackout. Okay, so let's start. first I'm gonna take Slanted, which is like a medium gray, this color, okay, and I will take the narrow side of the brush. This brush comes in with this. They have some beautiful brushes, okay. I'm gonna blow it a little bit so that, or if you're afraid of the bacteria and microorganisms, just tap it, okay. And I'm gonna go from the natural contour of my eye. Now don't be bothered just in case मैं आगे देख रही हूँ और इधर नहीं देख रही हूँ, okay? Because I also have to get ready and learn my script and do my hair. So this is slanted. I'm gonna make a natural contour. Now this is just my way of doing it, okay? So a lot of people might say ऐसे नहीं करना है, वैसे नहीं करना है, but this is how I do it. And you all like my makeup. There are no rules, you know. It's just that the blending needs to be good, the products need to be good. Most important thing, you have to make sure that the makeup needs to be removed off your face before you go to sleep or once your work is done. Okay, so this is what it is. ये सब चीजें निकल जाएंगी, don't worry. Yes, just push the door. Now I'm going to take the glitter gray, the lightest of the gray, called Armor. Okay, and I'm gonna go on the inner corner and completely cover my lid with that. Yeah, I blow it because it's my personal makeup, right? I mean, nobody else is using it, so. And I wash my brushes after every use, mostly. मतलब अब आज shoot के बाद रात को I will wash it, although I'm going to come back tomorrow in the morning to shoot. But most probably I will wash it. Nahi to tomorrow night. Okay, see. Alright, so this much is done. Now I'm going to take a slightly darker color. It's called Dagger. Okay. Again, from the narrow side of the brush, I'm going to go this way. Now, I don't know the terminologies for doing this, but... So what happens is different. Yes, come in.
Okay, sorry.
Aaja, Mohit.
Where we can makeup hands okay?
हाँ. That was my SP Mohit trying to check if I am good and I need anything. Okay, so Dagger, guys. Dagger is here. Okay. Dagger is the name of the shadow, okay? You know that for all those who are joining me now. So again, contour. Now see guys, I have a lot of space here between my eyebrows and my eyelids, so that gives me a lot to be able to do, okay? So आपको अपना natural contour खुद देखना है. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, I go little up so that my lids look bigger, okay? So see, can you see there are 3 different shades? 1, 2, 3. So that's the beauty of it. If you use more shades but in the same tone, depends on what you want to achieve. Alright, so the last touch will be from Black Market. Black Market is this shade. Can you see? I've literally like eaten Black Market all up. Okay, so we have a cocktail party scene tonight. Okay, that's why this dark makeup, and I'm wearing my dear friend Rohit Varma. Yes, I requested him कि please दे दो एक outfit सुंदर लगना है. Okay, अच्छा एक और चीज, if you really want this to be neat, पता नहीं मैंने शायद जल्दी में नहीं किया और मैं usually नहीं करती हूँ, then you have to take maybe a tape or a white tape or a masking tape or anything, and these days you get all these makeup tapes, and keep it this way. So when you do this, then the makeup doesn't come down. आ जाओ मेरे ख्याल से तुम स्टार्ट कर दो. रानी नहीं हो. अच्छा ओके, नहीं तुम रानी को भेज दो. Sorry, that was my jewelry person. I thought it was my... Okay, see how neat that's become. So I'm also going to start my hair in between, guys. Okay, so I got a new wig made which I have worn for this scene, and so I'm going to wear a wig. That just gives a lot of... It's just easy, you know, when you're doing a show or there's so much product and heat on your hair that it's easy when you use a wig. Alright, now I'm gonna take a super skinny brush. This is again my friend Ojas's brush in collaboration with London Pride Cosmetics. This one is actually a lip liner, but like I said, there's no formula. Do whatever you want. So I'm gonna take Blackout. Okay, and now I'm gonna make a liner like thing. so that it doesn't look extremely like sharp. I am going to be wearing eyelashes, but you know, otherwise क्या होता है, आप eyelash पहन लेते हो बिना कुछ किए और फिर नीचे से एक सफ़ेद आपका skin दिखता है, या it just looks like it's not merging well. So I don't like that. Therefore I, you know, either put the liner or I put this even before I stick the eyelashes, and then I re-put the eyeliner to finish it. Okay, so this is mostly it. Now the lower part of it, again armor, okay, slanted. I'm just taking the mix of all those colors that I just put on top. Slanted and armor, which were the light and the medium shades. Now I'm gonna take dagger. Same steps, okay? मैं उठा नहीं रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरे दूसरे हाथ में कुछ और है. Like I said, this is a real life situation where I'm doing my makeup from the set, so I can only do this much. Alright, so this is almost it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my mascara on. This mascara is from Clinique. This was given to me as a gift by my dear friend who flew down from UAE. So sweet. And her page is called Love Life Little One. Her name is Meghna, and you must follow her for some amazing tips. She writes so nicely, and she shares a lot of life experiences. She's a really cool girl. She's also featuring on my Motherhood Chronicles panel. A lot of some really cool people will be featuring. The show is completely ready, edited and submitted. Now I will let you guys know when and where and how it's going to release. Alright, so I've put mascara. Okay, now I'm going to call my makeup dada because eyelashes stick करना मुझे नहीं आता है. London Pride Cosmetics sent me these cute eyelashes, and they are forming, and I am going to stick one of them. So since मेरा ये part छोटा है, I usually cut out 3 strands of hair from my eyelashes. Okay, so I'm gonna call now. Rani, makeup दादा को भी भेज दो और तुम भी आ जाओ. Alright guys, time to sit and time to change the position of my phone. Okay, so give me a moment. Please stay put with me. Okay, I'm gonna do all the adjustments. Wait. Okay, तो ये जो है ना जिसमें मैंने फ़ोन इंस्टॉल किया है, that is actually the कार में हम जो करते हैं. Tell me, is this light better? I hope so, right? Yes, that little cute bag with eyes on the back is from Niche, and I love that bag. I'm using it as my makeup vanity. Wait, I think I need to readjust this. Okay. I think this is better. Okay, this is better. Totally, right? Okay, so मेरा ये हो गया. Now till my makeup dada comes in. आ जाओ. I think they are all afraid to enter because they can see यहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है. Okay, yeah. So Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade is the one I use for my eyebrows. You all know that I've done my microblading from nanoblading from Ageless, and I think it works wonders. Look at it. This is at the moment no eyebrow or shadows and stuff. See? Because I have extremely light eyebrows. Okay, so this brush is from London Pride Cosmetics LP313. Again, my friend Ojas, and in collaboration with London Pride Cosmetics. By the way, this video is not a sponsored video. Okay, I'm doing it just so I can show you all. और sponsored होता तो भी इसमें कोई गलत बात तो है नहीं, because I'm extremely choosy and ethical about, like I said, the brands I endorse. So since I have that nanoblading done, I don't have to work so hard. But what happens is on camera, you know, it's nicer with the kind of lights and all. On TV the makeup differs for every platform. If this was an ad, then obviously it would have been extremely light and stuff, but TV, because long hours of shoot as well as the kind of lights they use and all is different. Okay, so my eyebrows, I know you guys are seeing all these fancy videos on Instagram, which I also see, जहाँ पे इतने क्यूटली सारे eyebrows करते हैं, and you know, मैं ऐसे ही करती हूँ. Plus I usually like to do my makeup standing. अब मैं इसलिए बैठी हूँ because the hairdresser is gonna come, and of course I need to sit for putting my wig on. Okay, see, my eyebrows are done. Can you see? My one eyebrow is patlu and lower. I think वो symmetry का होता ही है. Okay, see, so it's almost done. Now I'm gonna stick the eyelashes and then I'm gonna put slight bit of eyeliner and then it's done. Now I didn't get, oh I got it, I thought I didn't get it. My fluffy brush, this one. Okay, this is from Makeup Forever. This is actually an HD range, so I'm just gonna brush off this. My under eyes have got nicely baked, and now most of the black stuff is over. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, now again I'm taking this shade. This is from Derma, Derma color, and this is D4. So I use 3 colors, D4, D4 and a half and D5. आ जाओ कमेंट जाने, आ जाओ. वो मेकअप दादा को बुलाओ ना मेरे eyelashes के लिए, और तुम भी आ जाना. Alright, so now I'm gonna put a little bit of that, again L'Oreal, slight bit, just for it to have some kind of, and a little bit of this Picama oil. हम लोग live है हाँ रानी?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm gonna sanitize Rani once again.
Yes.
Okay, Rani एक बार करेंगे हम लोग. Yes. So it's always better to be safe, है ना Rani?
Yeah.
This is my beautiful hairdresser and she makes me look lovely. So ये live Instagram पे.
Okay.
2, 3, 4 सेकंड लगते हैं. 3, 4 नहीं, 15, 20. आ रहा है ना वो अली? Rani, turn it off. Rani didn't want me to put this on her hair, but it's good. अच्छा वो आएगा ना अली, तो तुम उसको कर देना सिर्फ. Alright. So we are done. Alright. So today is Dussehra. Happy Dussehra, everybody. Rani is completely dressed up, and मैं पूछ रही थी रानी आज तुम इतनी तैयार हो क्या आई हो? कहती है Dussehra है. So all the girls have dressed up so nicely, and coincidentally I'm also wearing this. So D4 is what I'm going to put under the eyes. You might think it's a little too bright, but after my contouring and everything, it will get subtle. Okay, so no concealer separately needed. Now under my eyes here I will retouch everything, and my nose. Okay, now I'm going to take D5, which is the darkest, and put it here on the corners. The first step was only so that it could hold my makeup and I could see the contrast of the colors on the makeup. Okay guys, and this is D4 and a half, which is an in-between shade, which I'll put in between my face. So what I've done is I've graduated the colors from light to dark to darker. Now I'm gonna take this, which is, हम तो cutting बोलते हैं, but I'll tell you the shade from mine. So this is NG1, again a Kryolan Derma series. Okay, most of the time I use this brush. I like it. This brush is from PAC PSC 224. Okay, so since I have a slight bit of cleft, I'm just going to highlight that and run it like this. Then all of it will get blended together. So normally I don't do this contour, I directly do it with the contour or क्या बोलते हैं उसको, palette. The one that I use it is called Coco Contour. It is from Too Faced. I will show you that when I come to that. Okay. So this is my to highlight my cheekbones. See, the face immediately looks narrow. Okay, and slight bit on my nose. Now comes the nice part. This cute sponge is from London Pride Cosmetics again. I'm gonna drench it completely in water. It's gonna fluff up from its size. गीला कर दिया मैंने पूरा यहाँ. Fluff up, fluff up, fluff up. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of base. I'm gonna completely blend it now. So this will give it a natural and a flawless finish. So this part, the corner part, can be used for the narrow parts of your face. Narrow corners like your under eyes, inner corner of the eyes, wherever you feel, nose. Baki, this fluffy part, you can just dab it. See? It just blends. It's all natural then. It doesn't look super cakey. Like I said, thoda sa to thick hai makeup mera, but that has been done on purpose. Okay, so what Rani is doing is she's doing a choti, then she will pack it with the net, and then she will put a packing, and then she will put a wig. Na Rani? And I have left this aage ka bas that can blend with the wig. Okay, so this is done. Now I'm waiting for my makeup dada to come and put my. Okay. So we are almost done. Tab tak, till the time he comes, I will put my. Okay. Now this one, slight bit of Studio Fix I'm gonna put on my face. Okay, this is Studio Fix NC35. Okay, so little bit under my eyes. This is also that buffing kind of a brush. Okay, this brush is like that. This is also Ojas Rajani Makeup Academy in collaboration with London Pride Cosmetics, LP308. It's an HD contour brush. Okay, so I've told you as much as I could about the products. Alright, see? Can you see? Since everybody asks me that how is it that you achieve this smooth finish, this is how. It's simple, right? Alright, now I'm gonna take the Too Faced Coco Contour. Medium cocoa I've literally devoured. Now I'm taking the dark contour. Again, I'll follow the same line jahan pe I had done that. Okay. Ali को कितनी देर की लगेगी?
अली दूसरी जगह मेकअप
अच्छा अच्छा. So my makeup artist is coming because he is doing makeup for somebody else. Anyway, I just need assistance in putting eyelashes. So this is done, this is done. Now I'm gonna wipe it off the same eyeshadow brush. In the meantime, I'm gonna finish my makeup eyes with this color called High. Ye wala lag raha hai Rani. Okay, now see, I'm putting it in the inner corner. This is the cutest part about eyeshadow, I feel. It just lifts up your eyes. I'm so excited. About 327 people are live. Alright, now I've literally made a mess yahan pe. But till my makeup artist comes, I'm gonna fix this and you guys put up with me, okay? Normally I don't make it so messy because I can't function if it's so messy. Dropping the tissues. That is my tail comb. Ye chahiye na Rani?
हाँ जी.
Okay, now keeping this aside. Yes, let's put blush on. So I'm using the NARS Super Orgasm. Okay, ये वाला लग रहा है. This my friend Sakshi got for me. You must be wondering that most of the stuff has been gotten. Yeah, most of the stuff has been given as a list to my friends who are traveling for the times when I don't travel. Okay. I'm using this blush on after so long. I've used it for this entire sequence. So usually I like to put blush on here. So I'm going to put a little bit here. It just gives me the sun-kissed look. But yes, if you have really big cheeks, like even I have got big cheeks right now, तो यहाँ पे only the corners would work wonders. ला पकड़ती हूँ.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, see, a little bit on my nose. Now do you see that the makeup is not looking so bright? Of course, the light is also coming directly on my face. See, that's the beauty with makeup. That's how you put it, because it just captures the light very beautifully, and that's why we all have makeup during our shoots. Fine, so this is done. Now I'm going to put in the highlighter. Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit Sun Dipped. That's the name. And I'm going to put Summer and Tourmaline. Slight bit of Summer and Tourmaline. Actually, Summer and Moonstone on my cheekbones. Can you see? And my under eyes I've done. See? See the difference? Right? Now this one. Yay, I have shiny cheeks. Alright, see. Now I'm going to put only Summer on my nose. But on TV, usually you can't have such bright makeup, so it's all going to get subtle. Now here, secret of my glow is the shine. Alright, so this is done. Now I'm going to take bronzed and tourmaline, the darker colors, and I'm going to put it here on the side. Got it? Alright? See, this way. Okay? Now, my cheeks are done. Let's do the lips. The base is done. The eyes are not completely done. Okay, now we have to do the lips. Lips. Now I don't know which lip liner is this. This is Rosy Red from Swiss Beauty. Must have just gotten it. I like the color. Another thing, yeah. So I should have done this step before. I just missed on it. This is from Estee Lauder. This is called Pure Color Envy. It's a lip repair potion. So usually I put it on my lips before I start my makeup. So jab tak I reach the lips, my lips are completely moisturized. Like, it's so good. You can put it on the lips in the night and go to sleep. आ गया?
नहीं, वो टी आपके पास.
Okay, see? Alright, now the lips. Kind of a cross on my cupid bow. Okay, now this side of my lip droops a little bit when I smile. So I'm gonna smile and stretch it here. Okay. I don't go बहुत over because I don't like that look, but slightly over. Exactly over. Okay. Alright. This is done. Yes, I'm combining around 4 colors on my lips. So it's almost like a red lip liner. Now I'm gonna put the Huda Beauty. So it's gonna be a combination of mauve, pink, cream, nude. Okay, so this is Rendezvous. It's a matte lipstick from Huda Beauty. Okay, I'm gonna just put it. You can also put a lip, use it with a lip brush to be more precise. Okay, lip brush could be as thin or as thick, something like that. Okay, so this is done. Now The last color is this. This is Huda Beauty, my most favorite color. It's called Sugar Mama. Okay, so this is a mattifying lipstick. Just in between. Alright. See? And it's done. Alright, now my eyebrows I'm gonna do again, because I did that complete foundation over it, so thoda sa usme overlap ho gaya. So most of my makeup is done. I'm just retouching, yes, except the hair and the eyelashes, and then I will put my eyeliner, and the eyeliner is just to complete the look of the lashes. See, that's that, everybody. How's it looking? Till my makeup dada comes, I'm gonna talk to you all a little bit, okay? And take some names. And clear my desk. And put my mascara. So I'm almost done. How is it, everybody? I'm so happy that you guys were a part of this today. तुमको कुछ बोलना है? Rani, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
So Rani is such a hard-working girl. She comes all the way from, बहुत दूर से आती हो ना? अब बताऊंगी नहीं exactly कहाँ से आती, पर बहुत दूर से. From Nala Subara, which is very far, and she's such a brave girl. She comes on a two-wheeler. And with such long hours of shift, she travels in the rain, in the storm, and she's pretty cool, I must say. It's so inspiring, you know. There are so many people on the sets, and everybody has their own story, and everybody has so much to learn from each other. So I'm very happy to connect with people who are sincere. Thank you, Rani, for making me look beautiful.
Thank you.
And yeah, so that's that. Let me take some names now till everybody comes. So there is Sukhvi, Nirmal, Dhariwal, official Solanki, Radhesham, Namira, Pooja Kataria, Vanshika Shukla, Jamisha, Nausheen, Aryan, Nilanjana, Karan Nisha 64, Last Boy Journey, and hello, how are you, Vikas? Thank you for sending me a heart. Lots of love back to you as well. There is Mrinal, there is Jyoti Samtani, Preeti Devra, and Princess Khan, Pooja Karnish Lover, Sandeep Negi. That must be a Pahadi, right? If there are any Pahadis out here, hello. Sameer Pathan, Sunil. I can see there are a lot of guys also. Mommy of Shivan, how do you clean and organize your makeup and accessories? Please do a tutorial. I don't know about a tutorial, but yes, Mommy of Shivan, I will show it to you. In fact, I've been wanting to share my makeup station and how I do it, but you know, there is only so much I can do. I'm almost every day on your face on Instagram, but I will try and do that. आज हमने center किया क्या?
नहीं, back
The styling के लिए, okay. So that's that, guys. Now we're gonna put the wig on. So wait, I'm gonna help her. Yes. Wait, I'm gonna shift here. So I have to help her to hold it symmetrically. एक बार इनको दिखाना कि wig कैसे. So see, this is how it is, okay? And अपने wig दादा का नाम क्या? सुरेंद्र ना? Shankar Dada has made this, and this is made as per my size. It's got these clips, and she has styled it, and my hair is all like that. She's done a choti, and then she's packed it, and she's put another packing here. So this is a new wig that I got, and I'm excited about this. This is the third time I'm wearing it today. So you will see it in the new scenes. I'm holding it here.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Clip it. Clipping it, and then she will do it from behind. So it's like a cap. Okay. Thank you so much for staying with me, everyone. There are about 371 people live right now, and I'm so happy. So see, looks so beautiful. Almost done. And now, ye kar do. Okay. Now I'm going to use this. This is a Topic. It's a great brand, and it's a root touch-up spray. So earlier I used to use this hair fiber. So I feel that I'm having a lot of hair loss. I think this is more hereditary here on the corners. So I use it here, just straight from a distance. You know, even if you have some grays, you can cover it and see this side. So just see how it is. God, magic! हमारे सब शूटिंग की चीटिंग, हाँ सब राज खोल दिया आज हमने. Okay, so that's that. हाँ ये करें ना.
Yes.
Now I'm gonna blow dry my hair just for some bounce in the front, and then I'm gonna do a side part. थोड़ा बहुत जो बच गया है. Okay. So till my dada comes, what I'm gonna do is I'm also using this. चलिए बाद में करते हैं. So this is a hairbrush. This is from Iconic B102. It's great to do a blow dry. All right. That's it. So see. You guys have seen me in this look, but I'm not doing this today because this is difficult to maintain. So we are doing this. And now I'm gonna curl it outwards with a किससे कर रहे हो? Straightener. Okay, so she's already turned on the heat and she's got this cute pink straightener. मैं ये बता सकती हूँ?
Yes,
So this is Iconic. Okay, it's a great straightener. See all the tongs also she's done with the straightener. That is also a skill. So she's not used the tonger because tonger gives you those typical curls. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it this way now. I like to do my front portion. Yes, with straightener से bounce आता है. She's saying. So with the tonger थोड़ा flat हो जाता है ना? Okay. See? ये साइड तुम कर दोगे ना? Okay. So I feel this stays away from my face and it also enhances the face because it's around the face. Alright, I like this. She's gonna do it. ये करना ना ये वाला. That's it. And then my hair is done. How do you like my hair? और ये जो curls हैं, then she will open that जब मेरा जाने का टाइम होगा सेट पे. Otherwise अभी से वो खुल जाएंगे. Right, Rani?
Yes.
So now I'm waiting for my makeup dada because he's doing somebody else's makeup. That's it. But I am actually so enjoying this. And I can see the people are only increasing. There were about 351, now 341. How did you guys enjoy the makeup today? And if you like this, then maybe you can write to me. And the next time I'm doing a new look, then I can do that. Actually, aaj I could afford to do it because, you know, there are a lot of artists. And so I believe at the time, of course, I had to come slightly early. And I'd carry all these ring lights and everything for y'all. But you know how much I love you all. It's my pleasure. Okay, so see? Yes, great. Super. And now, अभी तुम ना अली को भेज देना, ठीक है? And then once he comes, उनको बोलो एक बार मुझे lashes लगा के तो चले जाए क्योंकि मेरा हो गया तो मैं script start करूँगी. So, that's that. Your face should feel completely moisturized and everything because I have put a lot of moisturizer even in the morning. Skincare is the most important while you're doing makeup. Yes. That is how I'm looking. She's spraying some hairspray now before she opens my curls later. And when I'm completely ready with my clothes and everything, jewelry on, then I will maybe go live again or just post a picture. Posting a picture is better, no? Because उस समय time नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, so I am going to. Okay, yes, thank you, Rani. Now my jewels are from SSK Jewelry. बाद में मैं जाके ना ये captions में अगर there is a caption I hope so I will try and edit and put the details of my clothes as well as my jewelry. Okay?
नेट लगाना कि रहने दो? चलेगा?
नहीं चलेगा अभी बंद है ना. Okay, yeah, so normally she puts in a net also so that it just stays in place, but we're not gonna put it today. Alright. How was it? Now come on, I can actually talk to y'all till the time she comes. He comes, my makeup data. Okay, till the time he comes, let me just do this. This is the Huda Beauty Resting Boss makeup setting spray. So I'm gonna take shake. I was so excited about this one, and it really stays. It really makes my makeup stay. Okay, so I'm gonna do. Okay. Okay, my eyes closed for a bit. This makes my makeup stay so much that in case I have a retouch, it does become a little problem for me. Like I'm actually wearing a mask on the eyes. So that should be... Okay, wait, I'm gonna check, okay? So no, Akbar, वो अली को भेजो ना मेरे eyelashes के लिए सिर्फ वो ही बचा है. फिर वो वापस चलेगा. 2 मिनट लगेगा. Okay. सिर्फ eyelashes ही वो लगाता है, बाकी मत रखिए. Alright, sorry, I know since it's a real shoot, like I said, ये सब होगा, but thank you for putting up with me. And you guys wanna see my room? My chotu sa room. Since of course I'm not shooting every day, otherwise I would have done up this room. Like Manav has a really cool room. Hi Manav, in case you're listening. Remember Karan had come on sets and we had posted a picture from Manav's room. See my makeup, guys, firstly. Just cheese garam nahi kiya. Look. How is it looking? My cheeks, lips, my face. Looking good, right? Yes, a blend ho jayega. I will only touch it up when he comes and puts the क्या कहते हैं उसको eyelashes. I think it turned out better today because y'all were with me. So thank you. Alright, see. So this is my room. This is my bag. Light नहीं आ रही ना यहाँ से. मम्मी ने सारा खाना दिया है. This I'm carrying. Oh, this is amazing by the way. It's healthy. This is from the Healthy Cravings company. They've come up with pea pops. So everything is made up with peas. And they have different flavors: protein rich, gluten free, cholesterol free, zero trans fat, low in calories, and it's homegrown, most importantly at the moment. And it's amazing, it's yummy. This is herb, cheese and tomato flavor. Let's see, Mummy has sent breakfast. Oh, this is Karan came in last night, right, from Delhi. So Karan's mom makes this amazing prasad Navratri ka. And ये हम सबका favorite है this halwa. It's so yummy, so yummy. I feel like I'm right there next to her. Thank you, mummy. Okay, so I have quinoa puffs. I have yes, मैं Karan का मग चोरी करके लेके आती हूँ because this has a lid, safer. And Karan's not a coffee person. And I've got my thermos. जिसमें hot water है, so I make my own coffee, I carry my own food, and yeah, because that's safer, right? Most of us on the sets do that. This is my little tiffin box. I used to carry the same, no, not the same one, to Lakshmi. And this is everything. In my bag, I have an organizer. In the organizer, I have Cofflet. I have Yoko. This is great for pain. I always bring it whenever I go abroad. Now you can also get it in one of these really good extra face masks. This organizer too. Okay, too much for me to remove with one hand. Pens and blah blah blah. And now this bag is from Niche Bag, and I'm so excited to style it. मुझे मौका नहीं मिल रहा, time नहीं मिल रहा, but I really want to. I can use it in so many ways. Today I'm carrying it as a makeup bag. I can use it as my tiffin, to carry snacks, to just, it's stiff, and you'll know how much I like stiff bags. Okay, for all those wondering about my spray sanitizer that I was spraying on my hairdresser in the room, it's this one. So my nail salon owner Deepali, she was using this, and I told her please mere liye bhi manga lo. So you put some sanitizer, not the gel based one, as well as water, and then it just comes out like nano steam. Yes, come in.
Hi ma'am, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, rakh dijiye. That is my mic, Dada. Thank you. Okay, thank you, thank you. नहीं चाहिए मुझे ये तेल.
अच्छा.
हाँ बस. So this is my Dada. Okay, this is my दादा. किसी का तो सुनो ना, मेरा मेकअप दादा नहीं आए हैं. मुझे eyelash चिपकाना है और मुझे clothes change करना है बस. Okay, so that was my SP. Calling all the artists, but I'm waiting. And that's it. That's my bag. Like I said, sanitizers. That's my washroom. And this is my dress from Rohit. That's that. And this is my makeup station जहाँ पे मैं सब कर रही हूँ. So should I say goodbye to you all now? I'm actually just waiting to makeup दादा आ जाए और मेरा ये लगा दे eyes, eyelashes. Then my look will be complete and my furs will be pura. How are you guys liking all the photos these days, huh? And thank you for sending me so many hearts. Wait, let me open the door. Okay. I think I will take some time to. Okay, guys, I think maybe I should say goodbye to you all because I also need to learn my script. Okay. So you guys have a wonderful day. I will definitely try posting a picture in my stories later once I'm completely ready. ठीक है? वरना late हो जाएगा. I think today makeup dada has taken long. Otherwise he comes in usually as soon as I come in and he takes my eyelashes, cuts it and brings it. ठीक है? So let me say bye to you all. Thank you so much for joining me today. It was so exciting and maybe we can do this again. Let me know how much fun you all had and let me know how much of these makeup tips you all are going to use if the brands that I shared were useful for you all. And sending you a lot of love for always giving me so much love for everything I do. Take care. Have a fabulous Sunday. Spend it with your family. Laugh a little. Care for yourselves a little bit. Don't forget to love yourself and click pictures on the way. Have a wonderful Sunday. Take care, my loves. Bye.